Talking about the world of motorhomes in Indonesia, 2026 is one of the important moments with the presence of the latest Mitsubishi Fuso Motorhome, which was specifically developed for the Asian market including Indonesia. This vehicle is not just a motorhome, but also the answer to the needs of people who are increasingly fond of domestic adventures with the comfort of a mobile home. Mitsubishi Fuso, previously better known as a manufacturer of tough commercial vehicles, is now expanding its steps into the motorhome segment by presenting design innovations, modern features, and engine efficiency that the exterior design of the Mitsubishi Fuso Motorhome 2026 combines the firm character of a commercial vehicle with a modern touch typical of a premium motorhome. The front looks dashing with a large chrome-plated grille combined with high-tech LED light. The dimensions are designed to be longer and higher than the previous version so as to provide a spacious interior space without sacrificing stability when driving on toll roads or rural roads. With an aerodynamic body, this vehicle remains efficient in fuel consumption despite carrying a large weight. Entering the interior, the Mitsubishi Fuso Motorhome 2026 provides a different experience with a comfortable modern home feel. The room layout is optimized to accommodate a living room, mini kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom with interior materials using a combination of premium leather, elegant synthetic wood, and LED ambient lighting that creates a warm atmosphere. The bed can be converted into a large sofa, while a multifunctional folding table makes it easier for family activities when working or eating together. Entertainment features in the form of a large touchscreen, a premium audio system, and near-wired internet connectivity make long-distance trips even more enjoyable. In addition to comfort, this motorhome also stands out in terms of safety technology. The Mitsubishi Fuso Motorhome 2026 is equipped with the latest ABS braking system, 360-degree parking sensors, a high-resolution rear camera, and a lane warning feature to prevent the vehicle from leaving the lane. Adaptive cruise control technology is also present to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front, a feature that is very helpful when traveling long distances on the Trans-Java or Trans-Sumatra toll roads. The engine used in the 2026 Mitsubishi Fuso Motorhome is the latest high-capacity turbo diesel engine designed to deliver optimal power while maintaining fuel efficiency. All of these features are designed to provide peace of mind and a sense of security for both drivers and passengers. Music fades out. BYD Auto, bold journeys, refined comfort.